ready to turn your driving skills into earnings with Bolt in the UK. Let's dive into mastering the Bolt driver app and maximizing your income. First, accepting rides. When a request pops up, you'll see the pickup location, estimated fare, and distance. Quickly tap the accept button to claim the ride, but remember to be prompt to avoid missing out on good opportunities. Next, seamless navigation is key after accepting. The app will guide you to the passenger using its built-in GPS, or you can switch to your preferred navigation app like Google Maps or Waze with one tap. Understanding your earnings is crucial. After each ride, your earnings are automatically calculated and displayed. Keep an eye out for bonus opportunities and surge pricing in busy areas to boost your income. Finally, maintain a high rating by providing excellent service while Euro-friendly, drive safely, and keep your car clean. A high rating means more ride requests and better opportunities on the Bolt platform. Good luck out there!